How's the one-on-one puzzle? It's still happening because they say. Yeah, I know you did it. What the heck? What did you say to me? Nothing. Okay. But why? You're fired. Where are you going? We're at the store. Oh yeah, but we're the. What did you say? Let's go to the store and buy the pizza. But we don't have any money. Wait, what did you say? Of course we have money. Let's order pizza. Yay! $10 later. Wow, I can't wait to eat pizza. Yum, yum, yum. Wow, tasty. What cheese did you use? I used gross cheese. Gross cheese. You're fired. Ow. Where are you guys? Where? The circle dash. Circle dash? Circle dash? We talk about circle dash. We rolled at home. Let's go. Woohoo, I rolled, woo. Ow. And if something like, okay, yay. Where are you going? Me to know. Where are you going? We're under night. Wait, somebody's right here. It's a spider. Ah! Oh. Seriously, that's a spider. Ah! Are you seriously? It's just like a spider. Just mama, 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 mama. You are my sunshine, my only soul. How are you doing here? I'm a gabba. How's this free vote ring here? Woohoo! You ruined my sing. That makes me sad. Like it's just right in love the puppet show.
Why does everyone turn to orange skies? Because we're in the afternoon. Yeah, we're in the afternoon. Once the days orange, yellow, become orange skies. Turn normal. No, because it's afternoon, guys. Let's go to sunny days. Whoop. Me too. Whoop. Me too. Whoop. Where are you guys? Wait.
Guess what? It's Jackson's birthday! Yay, it's my birthday! Are you 30 years old? Yeah, but where's the cake? You don't have any cake. But why is chocolate cake, strawberry cake, or chocolate? Did you say it's chocolate? Yeah, chocolate! 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 You are my son. Wait a minute. Are you going to the morning today? No. Where's the day? The day looks fun. And why is the sun smiling? What did I do? You go talk? Yeah. You sucky. Are you serious? Welcome to videos, everyone. Who are you? I am your video. Now come to me. Yay! We're back to videos. Why are you cheering around like this? Are you taking for videos? Wait a minute. It's just like me. But it hates the flame. Whoa. I can't see. Wait a minute. Where's my face? It's top of the A. It's taller than me. the top of the O, and the R. Because we're the test. Yay! I like Illinois. We're not pronouncing clothing on the comments. Yay! Why are we having mouse right now? Because we're tasks. I'll call mine clean. Who are you? Alatia. Okay, my name is Naka. Remember? Yeah, but so is Stephanie. Okay, we're now. Well, why is the background red? I know, but you're awesome though. When you land on your feet, it's kicking. How dare you, Lino? How dare? Like, really? Wait for me.